Wow, it's so dark down here. You know what, guys? Looking at this terrain and being alone. Woo! Ikan sumpit. Booked a tour travel agency to experience Langkawi. So it's like a private tour. It cost me about 250 bucks. I don't want to mix around with people right now because looking at the COVID situation right now. So I decided to take my own tour even though it's pricey. So I'll share with you guys what the tour is inclusive of when you pay 250 ringgit for a private tour, guys. So stay tuned and let's explore Langkawi together. Here's where you get to play with the stingrays, guys. So now I'll share with you my experience down here. Okay.
Okey, tak lagi abang naik. Cek suhu dengan ni dulu lah.
Okay, boleh.
Okey, nampak ikan tu? Kita panggil dia.
Okay. Ikan sempit.
Ikan sumpit,
Oh, okay. Sumpit.
Tapi ikan ni tak boleh membesar sampai 1 kilo tak. Dia habis besar pun saya tapak tangan saja. Dia memang kecil.
Oh, ni ya. Okay.
Dia ikan sumpit ni rajin dia tepi payah bakau. Dia ni akan duduk ni, dia akan tembak ayak kat tangga. Dia macam betul ayak. Kita dah panggil ya.
Okey. Dia boleh lompat?
Tak ada. Tadi dia tembak. Dia macam betul ayak. Dia akan tembak ayak kat makanan dia.
Okey. Water gun. Yuna. Oi. Okay guys, this is a lazy fish, guys. I was told that this guy won't eat the food. You have to give it directly to his face.
Dia ni selalu duduk bawa sampah.
Bawa sampah?
Sampah yang tampung tu kan. Dia akan ikut sampah saja. Dia akan miring, dia akan tempel badan dia.
Okay.
Di mana dia akan pergi kan?
Dia nyorok kat sana je lah. Ni. Okay. Mana dia?
Nampak?
Aduh.
Okay, orang atas ni dia memilih makanan juga.
Dia choosy ya. Aduh, dia tak nampak ikan pemalas tu.
Ikan pemalas kita kena bagi ke depan mulut makan. Nampak?
Itu dia.
Arah dasi yang akan makan. Nyok panggil jiki ada, nyok-nyok.
Nyok-nyok?
Okey, dalamnya ada dua jenis, warna putih dengan warna hitam. Orang lalu masak warna putih. Orang jarang isi warna hitam sebab isi warna hitam kai, isi warna putih dia lembut.
Okey.
Okey, kita main ayam mati ya.
Okey. Woo! There we go.
Okey, dia ni memang agresif kat sini. Dia ni sentiasa bergerak, dia hidup berkumpulan. Panggil dia sudah.
Dia kena stay dengan geng ah.
Tapi kalau benda kecil dia jatuh, dia akan serang. Kalau besar pada dia jatuh, dia tak akan serang.
Okay guys, for those who have done research about Langkawi, where you get to see a lot of people touching the stingrays, this is the place, guys. But unfortunately, guys, it's such a sad news that all the stingrays, they didn't make it through the PKP, the lockdown, because I was told that they don't even know what's the reason. They've been feeding it, but because of the lockdown, all these stingrays died. Okay guys, so what I like about the fish farm is that there's a fish that's like a washing machine, there's a fish that is like a blowpipe expert, because they can blow out water like a blowpipe. They call it a sumpit fish. I would say that this one was one of the main highlight of my trip here in the fish farm. Yuna. Oi! Anyways, let me go to my next tour. Looking for my boat now. So see me in my next location, guys. Guys, Check it out. So this is why they call it a crocodile. It's the head is shaped like a crocodile. Look at the figures of this rock, the formation of it. It's also a cave down here. Oh, the fish. Oh, it's very quiet here in the evening, guys. Wow, feels mystical down here. So guys, can you see this green lines down here? This is how deep this place gets when it's a high tide. So in the morning, this place will be super deep. Look at that, man. Wow, this cave will be full of water. And it stretches all the way out here. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, there's no more water down here. There you go. Lots of roots. Nice and peaceful down here, guys. Feels like I'm in Borneo right now. This location gives me that kind of feeling that I'm in Borneo again. Look at that, man, guys. Mangrove plus what? I think if I'm not mistaken, I think I saw a few monkeys. Okay, guys, for those who have been here to this fish farm, you will see boats like this that are parked down here. Apparently, this is like a place for repairing them and also parking. You'll be paying like a monthly charge if you want to park your boats down here. Some have even been left down here, I was told, for almost 2 years plus already. Like this one, you can see it's been here for quite some time. Look at that. Woo! Oh, coming. Getting close to the eagle, guys. Look at that. Where are you going, little one? Okay guys, can you see this is the river? And then right as you go down there, that's the sea already. Check it out, just down there, the horizon. That's the sea already, the Andaman Sea. It's the entry, this is like the entrance to the Andaman Sea. And then here I was told that this rock figure is shaped like a fish, a baby fish. Do you think? What do you guys think? Well, sorry guys, it's basically a face of a baby actually, not a fish. It's a baby's face. What do you guys think? Maybe you can leave a comment below. There we go. Guys, look at that, guys. Shape of a head, of a human's head. Can you see the mouth and the nose and the eyes? He's looking down there. Who is he looking at? Oh, he's looking at the baby face. It is shape of a red Indian. My tour guide just told me. I was trying to get the words to describe the face of it, but yeah, looking at it right now, yeah, it really looks like a red Indian. Looks like the chief. Okay guys, I'm entering the sea right now. So from the river, straight to the sea. Look at that. It's a portal entering the sea. Man, this is a beautiful place to be, guys. Now I'm really appreciating Langkawi right now, guys. Look at that. Coming from the river, the mangrove area. Now I'm right at the Andaman Sea. To be honest, guys, I don't even know what the heck is an Andaman Sea, guys. Okay. Now another island shaped like a shoe. They call it Pulau Kasut or Shoe Island. Yep, really looks like a shoe. Guys, can you see that island down there? Right at the end? That's Thailand, guys. Look at that, that's Thailand. Satun. Nama tempat dia Satun kan? Satun. Wow, so close, yet so far. They told me it takes about 1 hour from here. From Malaysia, all the way to Satun, Thailand. It's shaped like a man with his bag on top of a rock. It's just close by this thing. This Kilimjo Forest Park. Check it out. It's like one guy is waiting down there. He's welcoming us to come take a photo. Behold, Narnia. Now this is a turtle. Do you guys see it? That's the head. That's the head. I'll zoom in. That's the head. This is the body. There we go. Bye bye, Narnia. So this is the face of somebody lying down.
Tu dia ada bentuk leher sikit.
Nampak ni, nampak.
Dagu, mulut, hidung.
Somebody is lying down. Alright guys, looking at this view, it sort of reminds me of me being in Hong Kong, guys. You know the Lantau Island, my video in Hong Kong. If you haven't watched it, guys, click up here, guys, and you can watch that experience. It's down here. Check it out. It feels like Lantau Island. Okay guys, my last location here of this trip is the Bat Cave. Looks like I'm the only one right now. Look at that, guys. The guy told me that, what do you call that, in the evening not many people are here anymore. But anyways, let's test my bravery if I can go inside this cave alone. There seems to be no one down here taking care right now. So he told me if you want to go and experience the bats, you just go in the cave. If you want to do a 360, then go from here, then you'll come up from here. Just gonna see how scary it is. If it's too dark, maybe I might turn back. So guys, so this is where they dropped me off. I'm right now here. So now if I want to complete this cave, so it's 360. Wow, it looks scary. Anyways, I don't want to judge it yet. Let me go inside first, then I will tell if it's scary or not. Okay, let's go. Let's go on this adventure, guys. There's some rules down here. Be careful. Okay. Okay guys, wow, this is really dark, guys. Check it out. It's so creepy, guys. Come and have a look, guys. Man, I'm the only one down here. Woo! So it says here, do not use flash. Okay, got it. Wow, there's a lot of them. It's very dark. Okay, they're all flying, guys. I don't think you guys can see it right now. Okay, there. You can see it, guys. Can you see the bats? Wow, it's so dark down here. You know what, guys? Looking at this terrain and being alone, I think I'm gonna turn back, guys. Sorry, guys. I don't think I can do this alone. I'm headed back to my boat. Plus, it smells very funny, guys. It smells like pellets, you know, the food for rabbits. Plus, it's getting dark already. Who knows? My phone also has low battery. If I lose lights down here, I might get lost. Anyways, next time. I don't think I can do it, guys. Being all alone. Plus with only one phone, I don't think this thing would last inside there because my battery is almost finished. I don't even have a torchlight with me. I was not prepared for this. There's no one here, or at least if there's someone coming here right now, I could have maybe tag along with them. Oh, I almost lost my balance. Oh, stepped on that. Okay, let me go and check the other side if I completed the circle. Let me go and see. Let's go and check it out. Since I'm not entering, why not I go and check out the exit? Because I chickened out, guys. I chickened out. It was just too dark, guys. This is the jetty that we entered just now. Okay. Bat cave. You guys, wow, not bad guys. It's beautiful actually. I thought it was gonna be this whole place was a cave. Actually, it's just the entrance. So they bring you around the jungle. Guys. It's very quiet down here. To be honest, also it gives me the goosebumps, guys. Very creepy. So quiet, yet so beautiful. Okay, so if you guys completed the streets, this area, this is the exit. It says mind your head. No wonder I banged my head just now. I banged my head earlier. Oh, this is sharp rocks. Oh, this is where I banged my head just now. That's sharp. Just be careful, guys. So if I completed this cave just now, if I did the 360, this is where I would exit. But anyways, being here alone, anything can happen, so I don't want to take a risk. So just get back to my boat and call it a day. Okay guys, so that's about it guys. This is the trip. So if you guys do the tour, this is what you get to experience. Okay, my boat already sees me. If you're new to my channel guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment guys. Let me know what you think about this tour. For those who have done the Bat Cave guys, maybe you can share me your experience, because I chickened out guys. Okay guys, that's the end of my tour. So it looks like I'm the only one left down here. Check out, all the boats are already parked. I'll give you guys a few tips if you guys are coming to Langkawi. If you plan to be here like for a short while, if you're on a limited budget and you want to experience Langkawi, I would advise you guys to do this trip guys. Very good. You really experience Langkawi at its finest.